Have you ever had one of those moments where you realize if I keep going like this, nothing in my life is going to change? I had that moment in 2021 and it hit me like a brick. Before I tell you what happened, if you want to see the exact blueprint I use, go to the link in my bio and grab the free Freedom Formula blueprint. It shows you how to create $900 days and make 10K in 30 days step by step. So here's my story. For 10 years, I lived as a monk. My life was built on service, simplicity, peace, healing, and enlightenment. I learned how to quiet the noise, focus deeply, and live in alignment with my values. That season of my life shaped me in powerful ways, but eventually I felt called to step back into the real world so I could have a broader impact. I wanted more freedom to travel, more ways to serve, and yes, the ability to create an income that could sustain that mission. So I left monk life and did what most people do. I got a job. For 5 years, I worked for the same company. I was loyal. I worked hard. I believed that if I just kept showing up, I'd have stability. But in 2021, my world shifted. I was called into a meeting and told my pay was being cut in half. Actually, they told us just through an email. It felt like training for years, thinking you're about to run your best race, only to find out the track has been pulled out from under you. That day, I decided never again would my livelihood be controlled by someone else's decision. I went online to figure out how to create my own income. I tried multi level marketing, I tried affiliate marketing programs, I tried random online things, and I failed over and over again. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. For 3 years, I stayed stuck in that cycle. Then in 2024, I found the blueprint I'm talking about today. And for the first time, I felt like I wasn't guessing anymore. This blueprint isn't about hype, it's about a simple, proven process that works if you work it. All you need is Wi Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day, and the willingness to be coachable and consistent. Here's what the process looks like: get your business set up, everything ready in one day. Your website, automations, and offers are up and running without months of tech headaches. Plug into the community right away. Introduce yourself, connect with people on the same journey, and get direct support from people who have already succeeded. We're talking about 6 and 7 figure income earners. Follow the Launch to Profit training designed to get your first sale in about 1 week using proven, repeatable steps. Run the 2 hour workday, post 3 simple pieces of content daily, grow your email list, and let automations handle follow up and conversions while you live your life. No cold messaging, no bothering friends and family, no paid ads. If you can follow steps and be consistent, you can do this. Go to the link in my bio and get the free Freedom Formula blueprint. Now, let me be real with you. The biggest mistake I made before this waiting, I thought I'll start when things slow down, but life never slows down. It's like sitting at a train station, watching opportunity after opportunity go by, telling yourself you'll catch the next one. Then years pass and you're still sitting there. When I got on board with this blueprint, everything started to shift. Not overnight, but steadily and consistently. And the 900 days aren't just about the money, they're about what the money makes possible. Money buys back your time, and time is the only thing you can't get more of. If you're trading 40 to 60 hours a week for a paycheck that barely covers your bills, how much longer do you want to keep doing that? When your business runs in just 2 hours a day, you get 22 hours back to live your life. That's dinner with friends instead of late nights at the office. That's spontaneous travel instead of waiting for approval. That's peace instead of constant stress. Some of you are thinking, but what if I fail? I'll ask you this: what if you succeed? What if this is the one thing that finally works for you? What if in 90 days from now, you're living a life you didn't think was possible? When I started, I was scared too. But the bigger risk was staying exactly where I was. So here's your moment. If you're ready to take control of your time and income, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Go to the link in my bio, get the Freedom Formula blueprint, and just start today. You're in business for yourself, but you're not building it by yourself.